special one weekend. I was a friend of your cousin. Said, hey, how you've been? And with your checker shirt on and my Reebok shoes on, let's watch something random turn into something awesome. And I smile now, a lot happier somehow. No, I don't know what is up with me. I laughed too much recently. No, they don't know much about us when we're exchanging glances. They'll figure out one day what happened on your 24th birthday. It all began with a simple confession. You had an urge to kiss me. I was on the verge to miss you, and then it happened. No, we didn't understand. No, I won't even budge. Before we didn't hang out much. So save me in your playlist so you won't forget this. When things don't quite go your way, you'd still have me on replay with your checker shirt on and my Reebok shoes on. Let's watch something random turn into something awesome. And I smile.